Oh yeah, you know what it is, the question of the day. Alright, I am your host, Fat Boy Cali, in the building once again. And I present to you my co-host, TMK in the... G, hey, you good?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You sure?
Yeah, I hear you.
Alright.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, it's my co-host, TMK, of course. And we are here to present to you a question of the day.
Just
The day. Hey, hey.
Man.
What?
No, yeah, I hear you.
Oh, you
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah.
No, right? Okay. Alright. Well, anyways, I'm here to bring you a question. And that question being one of the best topics.
Computer love. Oh, yeah. Just have it. Talking about it. Computer love. Computer love. Love my computer. Computer love. You hear that? What?
Did you see that?
Hey, they're trying to film a show in here. What you doing? Can't make no noise. I'm trying to film a show. Man, trying to listen to music. She cut me off. Blowing the hair dryer. She know we taping. Go ahead, do your thing, man.
Yeah.
Do your thing. We taping.
Don't you just hate it when motherfuckers is annoying in your motherfucking house? You can't do shit. You kind of run around, shit coming on
I
and
mean, I'm
shit.
just trying to listen to computer love, and she gonna start blowing her hair.
You see what I mean? You see what I mean? If shit's annoying,
Man, you mess up my vibe.
yeah, just do something else. Cause really, that's how we get down. What's the most annoying thing that happens in your household? That's the question. Once again, let's make it happen. These motherfuckers is crazy. Like, ooh, I can't stand shit like this.